Welcome to Digitize. Today, we've got a showdown between two absolute powerhouses in the smartphone world, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the RedMagic 10 Pro. One is a premium flagship that defines refinement, while the other is a gaming beast pushing the limits of raw power. If you're wondering which one deserves your hard-earned cash, stick around because we're diving deep into everything from unboxing to performance tests. First things first, let's get these beauties out of their boxes. Right off the bat, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes in its signature sleek black packaging with minimalistic branding, while the RedMagic 10 Pro goes full gamer mode with bold, aggressive artwork and RGB branding all over the box. Inside, both phones are wrapped elegantly, but the unboxing experience feels noticeably different. Samsung keeps it classy: just the phone, a Type-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and some paperwork. Meanwhile, RedMagic doesn't hold back, throwing in a 165W charger right in the box, along with a premium braided cable and even a cooling fan attachment for those extended gaming sessions. No prizes for guessing which one gives you more for your money when it comes to accessories. Now, let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra sticks to the familiar yet refined glass and aluminum sandwich, with ultra-thin bezels and the signature boxy design. The S Pen is right where you'd expect it, and the polished titanium frame makes it feel ultra-premium in the hand. Samsung keeps things sleek and professional. This is a phone designed for power users and productivity lovers. On the flip side, the RedMagic 10 Pro looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. With an LED strip on the back, active cooling vents, and a transparent design that shows off some of the internal components, this phone screams gaming. Holding it feels like holding a high-performance machine, built for speed and extreme performance. Now, let's power them on. The S25 Ultra's dynamic AMOLED2X display immediately stuns, with its insane 3,200 nits of peak brightness and an adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate. Colors are punchy, blacks are deep, and Samsung's mastery over display technology is obvious. On the RedMagic 10 Pro, we get an equally impressive 6.8-inch 165 Hz AMOLED panel, tuned specifically for gaming. It's buttery smooth, ultra-responsive, and has a 720 Hz touch sampling rate, meaning every tap and swipe happens in an instant. While Samsung delivers a more balanced, everyday experience with unmatched color accuracy, the RedMagic is laser-focused on speed and fluidity, perfect for competitive gamers. Under the hood, both phones are packing some serious firepower. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, coupled with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage. Samsung's One UI 7 is optimized to take full advantage of this hardware, delivering seamless multitasking and smooth animations across the board. On the other side, the RedMagic 10 Pro features an overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite Edition, paired with 18 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. This phone is built for raw, unfiltered performance, and RedMagic's gaming-focused RedMagic OS ensures that every bit of power is directed towards gaming. Time to put these to the test with some real-world performance benchmarks. First up, Geekbench 6. The S25 Ultra scores an impressive 2200 in single-core and 7800 in multi-core, proving just how powerful and efficient Samsung's optimization is. The RedMagic 10 Pro, however, edges ahead with a 2350 single-core score and a massive 8100 multi-core score, thanks to its overclocked processor and active cooling system. When it comes to Antutu, RedMagic demolishes the competition with 2. 3 million points, while the S25 Ultra pulls a respectable 2.1 million. Clearly, RedMagic is squeezing out every last bit of power from its silicon. Gaming performance is where the real battle begins. Loading up Genshin Impact on max settings, the S25 Ultra maintains a solid 58-60 FPS, with minor dips in extended play sessions. Samsung's vapor chamber cooling helps keep temperatures under control, but after 30 minutes, there is a slight drop in sustained performance. Meanwhile, the RedMagic 10 Pro is a gaming monster, running Genshin at a constant 60 FPS with 0 frame drops thanks to its ICE13 zero cooling system, which includes an internal turbofan. The phone remains cool even under heavy loads, making marathon gaming sessions a breeze. Switching to cameras, the S25 Ultra packs an industry-leading 200 MP primary sensor alongside a 50 MP ultra-wide, 50 MP periscope telephoto, and 10 MP standard telephoto. Samsung's image processing is second to none, producing incredible dynamic range, sharpness, and low light performance. The RedMagic 10 Pro, on the other hand, features a 64 MP main sensor, an 80 MP ultra-wide, and a 2 MP macro lens. While decent, this setup isn't designed to compete with Samsung's flagship-level photography. In daylight, RedMagic captures sharp details, but in low light, Samsung's computational photography easily outshines it with superior night mode processing. Finally, let's talk battery and charging. The S25 Ultra houses a 5500 mAh battery, supporting 65W wired charging and 15W wireless charging. It comfortably lasts a full day with mixed usage. Meanwhile, the RedMagic 10 Pro flexes with a 6000 mAh battery and a mind-blowing 165W wired charging, capable of fully charging the phone in under 20 minutes. If fast charging is a priority, RedMagic absolutely dominates here. So, which one should you buy? If you want an all-round flagship that excels in display quality, camera performance, software experience, and S Pen functionality, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a no-brainer. But if gaming performance, ultra-fast charging, and maximum raw power are your top priorities, the RedMagic 10 Pro is hands down the best choice. That's a wrap for today's showdown. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic tech battles.